What is up, guys? I am at the beach at Casabal. Pink flamingo alert. Those are my cousins and my brother right there. So, gonna have a nice time in the water. I actually did not bring my underwater camera, so I can't film, but it's a nice day out. A lot of sun, and yeah, should be fun times.
So you will feel all your powers unfold. Ooh. Stretching out big wings over water's turning gold. Ooh. So tell your story, baby, don't give up. Just let it go out. Your quiet wishing's not loud enough. Will you be the one to take a chance? Have demands, spill your heart. Will you be the one to take a stand? Make the girls dance, spill your thoughts. Will you be the one to take a chance? Have demands, spill your heart. Will you be the one to take a stand? Make the girls dance, spill your thoughts. Will you?
So we are done at the beach here, I think. It's around 5. Gonna be going home soon. This is Casabal Beach. I got a couple of cousins came from Holland. We're spending some time with them here. Alright guys, gonna start editing this vlog. Leave a like and subscribe. So this is peace out. Until next time.